nut driver, box cutter, hammer, Turbo's hammer, one plier, two testers, one cutting blade, screwdriver and cutter, screw wrench, and rubber, and voltmeter. A stand for a small fan, which I have made myself with the help of my brother. An emergency light. These are two transformers from DC to AC and AC to DC. It is an inverter. It converts 12 volt to 222 volts, 220 volts, sorry. Here are the pages through which I rub rough things. Yes, these are rubber. It's in step. Rubber mat. A box in which some batteries, fan wings, and a small motor, fan wings, and soldering wire, etc. And other things are lying. And there is also power bank circuit. That is an MP3 circuit. So we will start from the first box. Here are all my wires. This shopper is full of accessories. And it's very two speakers. Here are all my wires. Yes, copper, also copper. Copper cords. This fan wing is both on DC motor. Horn. Water pump, very powerful. It is 12 volt. Lights, breaker, one dimmer, which can also be used for old 100-watt bulbs. Yes, it is used in drills. A small motor of 12 volt. And a small motor of 5 volt. And this is a filter. This is a powerful water pump used in the tank of cars. A motor having low RPM but high power. This is another motor. Oh, another water pump. It pumps 10 liter per minute. A small motor and another small motor of 3 volt. Here are some other lights and adapter. Oh, in the other books some wires and other things are lying like 100 watt bulb usually used in incubators. Switch, epoxy, a speaker, another small speaker, some wires and shoes, relay, now it's another box turns. Oh, here all nails are lying, nails and screws. Yes, these are steel nails. This is a grand wheel which I have made myself. A bond. These are nails for repairing shoes. This is a chain. Here are some springs and screws, nuts and bolts lying in the box. Some hinges are also lying here. Yes, here are also nozzles head, a log and 2 hinges, springs, screws, nails and wires. Oh, car tires, nozzles head. Oh, it's so cute. Others thing lying in the box. Shampoo, etc. Here's my drill. And there are some drill bits. You can see. Here are my 2 12-volt motorcycle batteries. These are very powerful batteries. You can see spark of the wires. These tires which I have kept for some use. Here are my 2 cameras. And my old phones which I was using very before. This is my old phone.